How you doing, everybody? Welcome back to the channel again. Okay, I had opened this plastic over this year. I didn't know why it was one of my usual parcels, but um, it's from Southampton lockpickers. So I sent them a parcel, just for people, just to give away sort of thing. But anyway. So they've sent me a parcel as a kind gesture, which is more than kind. I haven't opened it yet, as you can clearly see. The tape's still on it and all that there, so I don't know what's inside it. So, but anyway, I just opened this there 2 seconds ago. So just give me two seconds here, please. And this. Oh, this is like plastic laminated sort of paper. Okay, no, I'm sorry, I can't tell you what's out there. But what I can tell you is one of their famous stickers. You know what I love stickers? Sorry, I'm a big weeb for stickers. Oh, that's beautiful. Right, sorry, I'm gonna have to open this off camera because I told in the envelope, or sorry, told in that letter to open this envelope off camera. So sorry about this here. I tell you what, I think I know what's in this envelope. So this could be. Yeah, sorry, I can't tell you what's in that envelope. Right, okay, let's get back to this box here. Okay. Christmas morning again. This is one of those puzzle boxes. Oh, it's not right. Okay, God, now. I think of an art sticker. Oh, happy days. Oh, look at this here. Look at this here. Look at this. Oh, that is absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. My kid, she's sitting down beside me here. She wants to jump on my knee, and I guarantee if I let her up on my knee, she'll probably jump up. That is brilliant. Oh, that is brilliant. I'm gonna have to hang out there. Oh, I'm gonna have to hang out close, or maybe the camera stand. Okay. All right. Oh God, just I think it's right. No, excuse me. Itchy nose. Oh, fell down there. Right, what have we got here now? Right, me and Barry talked about this here. I have a couple of S&L shutter locks, and we decided we were going to start an S&L collection. So he sent me this one here. Now, Chris, I know you're going to say this is a girly lock, and there's going to be a few other people who's going to be saying this is a girly lock, because it's. I know this is going to happen. It is. I don't want to never say this. It's 37 mil. 37 mil wheat padlock. Oh, I can see the comments coming in here. Girly lock. Oh, I didn't know you like girly locks. uh, this is the start of my S&L padlock collection. I'm gonna start it because I didn't know we actually can get these here. That's it. Aye, for a wee small lock, that's not a bad wee snap. That's nice. I like that. my wee baby, she's sitting down here on the left side here now. What's this here now? This doesn't feel like a lock. Well, this gets better. The Southampton lock picking. Southampton lock. Picking club. Key ring. Love it. Absolutely love this here, boys. I don't know where to hang it, boys. Look. Right. Oh, there's a bunch of locks in there. The locks is in there. I don't really feel them on me. You hear that scratching noise? That's my cat scratching on her scratch post. Oh, look at the shape, boys. That is real. Oh, not that there. Excuse me. Beautiful. That is really beautiful. Really beautiful. And that's the key button to it. Really, really nice. Oh, that is nice. Yeah. That's actually really nice. You snap that. That is really nice. Like it a lot. Now we're starting to come into the big boys. Oh, what else is in there? Really intriguing. My cat is now going nuts in the background. She's running all over the place. She's full of beans here at the moment. Right. An absolutely beautiful. I didn't even know these even existed. An S&L closed shackle lock. That is absolutely gorgeous. I've never even seen these on the internet. Absolutely gorgeous. I have to find out what length that or what that is. 50 mil. Absolutely gorgeous. Thought she was 50 mil on it, but this is gorgeous. And that's the key button to it. Now, I want to say this here to start off with. This here is the 27th of August. Now, our internet is down at the moment, so I don't know when this is going to be posted. So, just letting you know this here in advance. So, I can't watch videos or anything out there. Well, it's not down, I tell a lie, it's not down. It's very, very, very slow. You can watch a couple of seconds and then, oh yes. And then she stops for about 30 seconds. And it's an absolute nightmare. That's a gorgeous lock. I didn't even know they could even do that close shackle. This is fantastic. Gentlemen at the Southampton Lockpicking Club, thank you very much for this package. This is absolutely incredible. I didn't even know you could even get these type of locks. I've never seen them before. Never saw them before. And what a collection. As I've never saw them before, I don't know how to add to this collection. I really don't. I've got two shutter locks and I don't know how to beat this. Now that's gotta be 60 mil. That's gotta be. She's 57 mil S&L. Now these are all brand new. I know for a fact. You know by looking at them. They're in their bags on it. There, this is, you know what I mean? These are all brand new. These are not second hand. There's not a scratch on any one of these here. I should have said not for a fact, but absolutely incredible. Now, let's have a look at this baby here. Oops, nearly fell out of my hand. Oh yeah, proper wee snap there. That's a proper snap. I got a lot. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Is there any more in here? There is. I guess that's it. Yeah, that's it. Good packaging, by the way. Anyone want to keep that packaging? That's the packaging there. I'm gonna keep that. And this is the last. Wow, very nice indeed. Very, very nice. S&L must be an English company because, but even not that, you think it wouldn't be. Show them on, no, on eBay. Now that is nice. No, that's not nice. That's gorgeous. Oh, maybe I have to pull that out a bit here for you because there's a high shag on this here. That is absolutely gorgeous. This is my collection. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th one. Well, oh, sorry, keep hidden. Small wee key for a big lock. Sorry, get that key a bit close to the camera. Why is this wee small key? It looks weird. That's a quite a snap out there, boys. It looks. The key looks disproportionate to the lock. That is gorgeous. Thank you. Everybody at the Southampton Lockpicking Club, thank you very, very much for not only the locks, but what's it? I don't know what do you call it. Like, it's almost like a wee teddy bear. It's not teddy bears. I don't know what do you call that there, but it's gorgeous anyway. The key ring and the stickers and that R thing that you can't say. And the letter. Thank you very much. Everybody, thank you very much. I don't know when I'm gonna get this shirt posted, but when I get it posted, I'll get it posted. Everybody, take care of yourselves and stay safe. Right, bye bye.